Hello family, and welcome to Sand Panda Off-Road. And on this episode of Sand Panda Off-Road, we are going to talk about the fuel pump warranty. Yes, just had to go through this. It's not cool. I was driving down the street, cruising, radio on, chilling. All of a sudden the engine dies, and I didn't really honestly notice it because I had the radio on and everything until I tried to give it gas and nothing happened. Luckily I was able to pull into a oil change place and get safely off of the road. Thank God I wasn't on the highway or anything like that. So that being said, I called AAA and they came and towed the car, and I started racking my brain on what could it be. And I figured it was the fuel pump, completely forgetting that I'd already just done the fuel pump recall, like maybe in October. So I was scrambling, trying to find places that could fix my car. And in Panama City, Florida, every place was busy. So anyways, I'm scrambling trying to find places that can fix my truck, and everybody's telling me it's going to be several days so they can get to it. And my mom, who was with me at the time, because she had picked me up, was like, why don't you just call Toyota and take it to Toyota, which is honestly the last place I wanted to take it because of how expensive it is at the dealership. And then I'm so glad she said that, because it reminded me that I had just had the recall done and I had totally forgotten. So took it to the Toyota. They said no problem, we'll take care of it. And they did. And so I go to pick it up, and still the gas gauge and everything is not working. So something else is wrong. And so I take it back in there, and they tell me that not only was the fuel pump not installed correctly again, it also had a bad fuel something suction pump or something like that, and it was going to be $481 to get fixed. But the guy that is my service writer at Toyota, Joseph, who's a really cool dude, and he submitted a claim to Toyota that they should fix it, and Toyota honored it. So I got the new fuel pump and the new fuel whatever thingy, suction thingy done. And so now I'm back on the road. But that is something to expect when you're dealing with your fuel pump recall. Maybe you'll run into the same incidents, and make sure Toyota takes care of it. If not, show them this video.